Situated in southwestern China, Chongqing is a mountain city spanning a vast area. As a crucial modern manufacturing base in China, Chongqing is anchoring its ambition to become the capital of intelligent new energy vehicles, or NEVs. To achieve this, it is seizing every opportunity for innovation in the automotive industry. Riding the wave of Chongqing's ambition, Seres has been harnessing new forms of productivity to reshape the industrial landscape, driving continuous growth in intelligent manufacturing in China's NEV sector. Behind every breakthrough in intelligent manufacturing lies a bold innovation on an intelligent campus. Seres has partnered with Huawei and using Huawei's campus portfolio solutions. It leverages ICT infrastructure along with the campus digital platform to build a secure, efficient, and green intelligent campus. The IOC of Seres Superfactory aggregates campus data and unlocks visible, manageable, and controllable services through 9 codes. It has a large screen which supports centralized management. It also has mid-sized screens for precise control and small screens for quick handling. These 3 screen types work together for better efficiency, smarter decision-making, and faster event handling. First, quality connections. Through wired and wireless network integration, Seres has built a high-quality, smooth 10 GB per second campus production network with 0 packet loss and deterministic latency. It allows AGVs and robotic arms to operate with agility. Second, visualized production lines. The workshop uses AIoT to assign a unique ID to every mass-produced vehicle, enabling 100% automatic data collection throughout the entire process, from when the sheet metal enters until the vehicle is finished. This leads to digital and intelligent operations. Seres has built a massive quality inspection data lake, enabling quality issue backtracking in seconds, repeated data value mining, and long-term data retention. Meanwhile, it uses AI to detect intrusions into production lines, monitor key positions, and detect product defects. This ensures efficient and stable operations throughout the intelligent manufacturing process. With the digital twin, production line operations can be visualized with intelligent fault warning and predictive analysis and maintenance. This facilitates efficient O&M and intelligent upgrades of production lines. Third, vehicle testing. Zero roaming Wi-Fi accompanies each vehicle test. This guarantees that transmission of data from the vehicle's onboard devices stays stable, even at high driving speeds. Fourth, office collaboration. Huawei Idea Hub empowers digital teams by making daily operations management in the workshop digital. Workers can view real-time data on daily production quality, efficiency, and anomalies. With features like video network linkage, screen collaboration, and audio and video watermarks of intelligent conferences, employees can enjoy an intelligent experience throughout the conference. They can communicate more easily and collaborate more efficiently. Fifth, convenient access. Connection between the access control and personnel management systems ensures efficient access for employees. The system automatically recognizes vehicles entering or leaving the factory and generates speeding alarms, reducing management costs. Sixth, easy upgrades. Huawei's iMaster NCE campus automatically generates assurance policies for critical applications. For specific areas and special applications, a single click can open a fast lane, ensuring a superior experience for VIP users and applications. 7. Campus security. Seres employs an all-optical backhaul network to associate security with firefighting systems. This allows it to perceive the security situation in real time and for alarms to be reported in seconds, keeping the factory safe. 8th. Campus services. Seres provides a variety of services for employees, such as workstation sharing, factory-related updates, and liquid-cooled ultra-fast charging, creating a convenient and comfortable working environment. 9th, low-carbon operations. Seres has adopted the PV-ESS charger synergy solution to deliver ultra-fast charging stations and PV power generation. The results are reduced carbon emissions, higher quality and efficiency, and ultimately, a green campus. Behind the intelligent campus of Seres lies a leading ICT infrastructure that supports the entire process of business digitalization. Looking ahead, Seres and Huawei will collaborate to drive development through innovation, injecting new intelligence into the automotive industry and campus construction, and together ushering in a new chapter of intelligence.